Si Mitchell kakain ng biscuit. So, yan sa biscuit. Kakain siya ng biscuit. Tatanungin ko siya kung gusto niya to. Sasagot siya sa akin. Mitchell, you want this? Say yes. Yes? You want this? Say yes. 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 Yay! Very good. Ayan, kumain siya kasi nagsabi siya ng yes. So, mamaya pakainin ulit natin siya. Ayan. Takaw kasi siya. Gusto niya ng mga biscuit. So, ito. Ayan. Mitchell, you want this? Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Yes. You want this? Yes. 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 Say yes. Yes. You want this? No? Yes. Yes. Say yes. Come on, say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Say yes. Yes. So, napakain na natin siya sa bagay. Say yes. Say yes. Gagalit na siya. Oh, you want this? Oh, yes. Okay, very good. Clapping. Yay. Clap. Clap your hands. Very good, Mitchell. Nagsasalita na siya ng paisa-isa. So, tanongin natin ulit siya.
Mami, di ba alam yun eh?
Mitchell, say wow. Wow, very good. Say wow. Say wow.
Wow, wow.
Wow. Oh, you want this? You want biscuit? Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Yes. Say yes. Oh, no, no. Say yes. Yes. Say yes again. Say yes. Oh, say yes. Oh, yes. So good. Very good. Yeah. Very good, Mitchell. Mitchell loves biscuit. Yeah, kain siya ng biscuit niya. Tatanungin natin siya ulit. Okay. Say wow. Wow, very good. Yay! Yay! Say yes. Yes. Mitchell, you want this? Yes. Yummy. Very good. Very good naman ang baby namin. Yay! Hi! So, bye-bye na. Bye-bye to the vlog. Bye, everyone. Say bye. Say bye. Bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye na si Bicho. Yes, kakain muna kami ng biscuits. So, ayan. Abangan niyo mga iba-iba na sasabi pa ni Bicho pa isa-isa. So, susunod, magsasalita na siya. So, okay. Bye-bye na sa say bye na. Bye, everyone! Bye! Bye-bye! So, bye-bye. Kiss na, kiss si Mami na. Kiss, kiss na Mami na. Bye-bye!